Are you searching for the best circular saws? In this video, I'll share my top 5 best circular saws recommendations, backed by personal experience and extensive research. For additional details and up-to-date pricing, please visit the links in the description below. Number 5. Works Nitro WX520L 20V Power Share 4.0 AH 7.25-inch cordless circular saw. Despite its petite size, weighing just 7.7 pounds, the Works WX520L proved to be exceptionally capable in our testing. Sporting a 7.25-inch blade, it effortlessly handled 4x6 pressure-treated lumber, 2x10 Douglas fir, 3/4-inch plywood, and laminate flooring. Powered by a 4Ah battery, this 20-volt saw delivers a substantial amount of work before needing a recharge or battery swap. When it does require charging, the quick charger replenishes the battery pack to full power in approximately 2 hours. In addition to its performance, the WX520L is well-balanced and easy to handle, making it a delight for weekend home projects or occasional use. Key specs. Model, WX520L. Power, 20 volts. Weight, 7.7 pounds. Speed, 6,100 RPM. Blade size, 7 1/4 inch, 24 tooth, framing. Pros. Surprisingly powerful. Includes storage bag. Lightweight at just 7.7 pounds with battery. Cons. The dust port is positioned too close to the blade guard lever. The Works WX520L 20-volt circular saw combines portability with robust cutting ability, making it an excellent choice for versatile DIY projects. Number 4. Craftsman V20 cordless circular saw. We were impressed with the handling, lightweight design, power, and excellent line of sight of this 20-volt saw. It performed so well that we used it for testing 7.25-inch circular saw blades for recent coverage. We didn't hold back, cutting through Douglas fir framing lumber and red oak. The saw exceeded expectations in each viewpoint, from its craftsmanship to its reliable cordless control and exact cuts. It also features the ability to make bevel cuts up to 56 degrees, with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Additionally, its brushless motor offers greater longevity compared to lower-quality brushed motors. Craftsman backs this saw with a 3-year limited warranty, ensuring peace of mind if any workmanship or material issues arise. If you're already invested in the 20-volt Craftsman system and have compatible batteries, we fully recommend adding this saw to your toolkit. You won't be disappointed. Key specs. Model, CMCS 550B. Power, 20 volts. Weight, 8.2 pounds. Speed, 4,700 RPM. Blade size, 7 1/4 inch, 24 tooth, framing. Pros. High quality construction. Bright LED work light. Affordable price considering the power output. Cons. Lower than average speed. Battery sold separately. Number 3. Flex 24V brushless cordless 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw. When it comes to cutting shoring and industrial lumber, you need a saw that can handle thicker, wider, and tougher materials than standard lumber. This type of lumber is used for heavy-duty tasks such as supporting ships in shipyards and propping up large pipes and valves in fabrication facilities. It's also the go-to material for stabilizing excavation walls, around foundations, and pipe trenches. Generally, there are only 2 tools suitable for this job: a chainsaw or a top-tier circular saw. The Flex circular saw stands out in this category due to its superior power and ease of handling compared to its peers like DeWalt and Milwaukee. The Flex's well-balanced design and geometry allow you to quickly and accurately position it on the cut line. It has more than enough power to complete even the toughest cuts. Given that such heavy-duty work is often performed in dimly lit environments, the Flex's integrated work light is incredibly beneficial. If you're in the business of cutting industrial material, the Flex is a must-have. Key specs. Model, F x2141 R-1J. Power, 24 volts. Weight, 13.4 pounds. Speed, 6,200 RPM. Blade size, 7 1/4 inch, 24 tooth, framing. Pros. High power yet easier to handle than competitors. High capacity 10Ah battery. Excellent work light. 6,200 RPM cutting speed, faster than most. Cons. Maybe overkill for most uses, considering the high price. Number 2. dewalt DCS 573B 20V Max * 7 1/4 inches. Brushless cordless circular saw. dewalt has upgraded its 20-volt cordless circular saw, making it more powerful and versatile. This saw can now run on a standard 20-volt max battery or the robust dual-voltage 2060 flex volt power pack, sold separately. With the flex volt, you can achieve an impressive number of cuts on a single charge, including repeated cuts at its maximum depth of 2 9/16 inches. In our tests, it made so many cuts through 2x4 lumber that we lost count, running out of wood before the battery showed any signs of depletion. The larger the amp hours of the power pack you use, the more cuts you can expect, potentially lasting an entire day's work. Our testing revealed that this circular saw is extremely comfortable to operate, thanks to its ergonomic handle positions and rubber grip. The electronic blade brake is also highly effective, stopping the blade within a second or two after releasing the trigger. Overall, dewalt's cordless circular saw is a powerful and smooth cutting tool with exceptional accuracy. If you're considering going cordless but want to maintain professional performance, this is the saw to get. Key specs. Model, DCS 573B. Power, 20 volts. Weight, 8.2 lbs plus battery. Speed, 5,500 RPM. Blade size, 7 1/4 inch, 24 tooth, framing. Pros. Dead-on accurate shoe placement. Comfortable to operate and maneuver. Onboard LED illuminates cutting area. Cons. Somewhat heavy, especially with a larger battery pack. Battery not included. Number 1. Bosch 18V cordless circular saw. After testing numerous circular saws, we found this Bosch model to be nearly flawless in design and performance. Featuring a standard 7.25-inch blade, an 8Ah battery, and weighing only 11.6 pounds, it's an agile and efficient cutter. The standout feature is its aluminum accessory track, which requires no special shoe or mounting hardware. Simply place the track on your board or plywood and slide the saw along it like a locomotive on rails, achieving table saw accurate rips and crosscuts. For controlling cutting depth, the Bosch circular saw includes a thumb latch positioned right above the trigger. Move the latch forward and press down to lower the saw's shoe. To fine-tune the shoe's position, hold it with one hand while pressing the latch. Once the shoe is in the desired position, release the latch, ensuring the blade exposure is just right. Additionally, the saw offers an eco setting to conserve battery life during light cuts and 6 speed settings to handle everything from thin plywood to full-depth cuts in construction lumber. A battery life readout keeps you informed about the remaining charge. Key specs. Model, GKS 18V 25 GCB 14. Power, 18V. Weight, 11.6 pounds. Speed, 5,000 RPM. Blade size, 7 1/4 inch, 24 tooth, framing. Pros. 6 speed settings for a range of cutting tasks. Large 8Ah battery for extended use. Eco mode for longer runtimes. Cons. Maybe overkill for those with minimal cutting needs.